Hello investors, good early morning from Chicago, the risk management capital of the world. This is the Morning Stir Market and Resource Rundown for Wednesday, November 7th, the day after votes were cast to determine the presidential contest. Solid follow-through buying on all asset classes added to Monday's turn higher. The E-mini S&P rallied 13 points, nearly 1% to close at the 1425 pivot prior to the election close and results being released. Resistance above sits at 1431, highs from October 22nd and last Friday. Support sits at this week's lows at 1402, then 1393 below. Dow futures added nearly 150 points to close at 13,200 on Tuesday. New two-week highs in the blue chips have the next resistance at 13,315 from October 23rd, with multi-year highs at 13,600. Watch 13,000 on the downside as weekly support. Tech shares lagged in the rally yesterday, but still added 15 points at 2677 after the intraday peak at 2693. The E-mini Nasdaq is still stuck in a 75-point range for the last 12 sessions between 2700 and 2625. Crude oil pushed through old channel support, now resistance at $88 yesterday to gain $3 a barrel. New relative lows at 84.34 turned higher on Monday to send up a trend-based breakout. The dollar stopped moving higher, off 15 ticks yesterday at 80.70 as the euro rallied above 128. With stock relief, bonds dropped 1 full point to 148 and 8. 148 is the halfway pivot support and 150.07 the resistance above. Gold was the big winner on Tuesday, adding $32 at 17.15 on a reverse above the $1,700 pivot, which was broken on Friday. Silver was up 92 cents at 32.04 an ounce to add 3% on the day. As election results are being sorted, where do things stand this Wednesday morning to start what could be another very long day? Currencies are steady, with the euro sitting at 128.16 and the dollar index down to 80.70. December bonds are over a full point higher at 149.5 this morning. Crude oil has given back some of the big rally yesterday, down 80 cents at 87.88. Yesterday, oil jumped back into the more than month-long sideways range for the December contract between $88 and $94. So we'll want to wait to see which side it breaks out of once again. Gold is $9 higher right now at 1724, with 1700 the support pivot below that was broken last Friday. Silver is 10 cents higher at 32.12. So as we get started on this Wednesday morning after Election Day, stocks have recovered from heavy losses and now have moved actually back lower. The E-mini S&P is negative after being steady just a few minutes ago. We're down 8. Dow futures are about 75 points lower right now, and Nasdaq futures are also off with an hour to go before the stock market open. So to wrap up the current action this Wednesday morning, the euro currency is at the 128 level. Bonds are up a full point. Crude is 80 cents lower near 88. Gold's another $9 higher at 1724 after eclipsing $1,700 an ounce on the upside once again yesterday. Stock futures are steady, actually lower now, with the E-mini S&P down 8 at 14.16. Dow futures here at the CME Group is 75 points lower at 13,125. Please visit our sponsors at morningmarketstir.com for more information on commodities, futures, and options. I'll see you early Thursday morning for the Stir in the Markets to set up your trading day. From the CME Group trading floor, it all comes back to commodities.